Everyone. In this video, we are going to know about to transform or perform the Power Query operations in the nested table. Even if you don't know how to view the Power Query input in the nested table. If you have the large data set, you must perform the Power Query operation in the nested table because the query run faster, especially the data cleaning process and combining the data from multiple. So let's see how to use the M code in the nested. This is our the nested table in the content column. Now, I wanted to summarize the state-wise total invoice value. I need to generate the some sample code. I click on the table and the table is expanded. Right click on the state column and use the group by operation. Select the state name, type the column name and operation as a sum. Select the column to perform the sum operation. This is the invoice value. Now, the data is summarized and the formula bar, they are the sample code generated. I copy this code, open my notepad and paste. Also, I don't want the null values. I remove the null values from the table. I click on that and uncheck the null values. Now the null value is removed. Again, we generate the sample code. I copy the code and paste on my notepad. Now this code will generate it, which is a sample. Using this code, we perform the operation on my nested table. I delete the some steps. This is our the nested table. Click on the add column custom. Now I copy the code table.group by which is a table as a table. The first step is a table. In the nested table, the content column has a table. The input table, which is a content. I click on that. I feed the content column and all the code are as it is and click on that. Okay. Now the new column generate. Our data is summarized, but the null value is not removed. We copy this code table.select file. Go to the add column custom. Again, we generate the custom column and paste select the table input and feed the custom column and click. Again, we generate the new column which has a table. The null value is removed. Performing the every operations, I don't want to generate the custom column. These are the two formulas. Now we are going to combine the both formulas and generate a single code. How do I do that? I delete the steps. These are our the group by formula. Now I copy the sum table dot select and merge the formula before the each I paste it. Now open the bracket. Now the table as a table. These are the group by operation which perform and generate the table. Now end of the column, I click on that comma and these are the select table dot select rows, which is these are the table and the condition as a function. What are the operation we are going to perform in the nested table? Copy this code and paste. Now I close the bracket into the end. We got the clean data in a single custom call. You can perform the various types of operations by using this Power Query trick. Your query will running faster if you're working with the large data. If you don't know the formula, how to use in the nested table. Thank you for watching this video.